Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to organize boards in Pinterest. So to sort boards automatically, open the Pinterest app on your device and log into your Pinterest account. Tap your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen to open your saved tab or profile. Tap Boards to see your boards. If you have a Pinterest business account, click Saved instead. Tap the arrows, this icon right here, above your boards and select the way you want to sort your boards. There are three ways to sort your boards. The first one is A to Z, will sort your boards alphabetically. Custom lets you move your boards manually. And last, Save to, will sort your boards to show your most recent saves first. To sort your boards manually, log into the Pinterest app on your device and tap your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen to open your saved or tab profile. Tap one of your boards and select this icon. Drag and drop your boards in the list to reorder them and tap Done. That's it. Thanks for watching.